channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP, and in our today's video, we're going to show you how you can create an e-commerce website for your clothing store using Odoo AI under 10 minutes. Sounds impossible? Well, without any further ado, let's head right into the video and see how you can do that. Right now, I'm on this URL that we have also provided in the description box below, and I'll click on Start Now. It's free. Now I'm going to quickly fill in these details. So as you can see, I've filled up all of my details, and here I've also given my website the name. So it is the name of my brand, and I have selected that, and now I'll click on Start Now. And now Odoo is welcoming me to the database with the fireworks. Now we're going to build the website using the AI feature of Odoo. We're going to click on Let's Do It. And I'm going to define what I want, whether I want a website, an online store, a blog, or what. I want an online store. Now this is for what? It is for clothing store, women's clothing store. What is the main objective of this store? It is to get leads, develop the brand, sell more, or inform customers, or schedule appointments. So my aim is to sell more. Now for the color palette, you can either choose it or upload your logo, from which Odoo AI will pick the color palette itself. So now I have uploaded my logo, as you can see, and it has selected the color palette. Now I can definitely make changes if I want to, or I can move forward, which I have already done. Now I'll specify what pages I want on my website. So I definitely want the shop page because people would be purchasing my products from there, and I'll have a stores located as well. If you do not have like a physical store for your brand, you do not have to click on that. And I'll click on build my website. So now Odoo has given me a couple of themes which they feel is perfect for the brand that I'm trying to create. However, if I don't like, I can just click on view more themes and I can, select from a number of themes for the website. I like the second one better, so I'm just going to click on that. And now Odoo AI is completely building my website on its own, just with minor few details that I have put in with a few clicks. It has been creating my website. And the website is up and running and is completed. So Odoo has added content and image from its own using the AI. If you want to edit it or add or subtract something, we're definitely going to do, but let me just show it to you once. So they've selected the images, they've added content, my color palette is matching. They've also defined categories for me. So I have a full-blown website already, which is working now. All I have to do is make changes or edit it if I want to. So I'll just click on edit. And now I have these snippets and drag and drop blocks that I can choose from to edit, add, or subtract something. Let's say I don't want to say upcoming spring collection. I want to say upcoming winter collection. So I'm just going to quickly change it to winter, right? And I don't want to have this image in between, so I can just remove that block and that's done. And once I click on save, the changes have been saved. It is that easy. Now the block is gone from here and it's like an empty box. If I want to add any other image or something else, I can do that. Now I want a form in the end. I can add that too just from this snippet. I can select which kind of form do I want it. And let's say I want to have a let's connect box, and I just click on save, and a form has been added. It is that simple to configure and have your online store website up and running in just 10 minutes using Odoo AI.
If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we'll be coming up with a series of videos on how you can create an e-commerce website on Odoo. And for our next video, we'll show you how you can upload products on your e-commerce website. So do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a video. And if you have any queries, please drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you. Thank you.